Picowokers is one of the best platforms for freelancers that you can earn money through. For workers, you can submit mini micro tasks for big result. On the other side, you can be an employer and promote your businesses here through targeting workers to do your task. Anyway, you can join it and create your account and start earning. Hello everyone, this is Sufyan Twilman here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do marketing jobs in Picoworkers so in 10 US dollar daily with real studies, experience, and proof. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the button bell for new videos. You can see here more than 1000 of jobs, but in this site I'm going to category and click search, click engage, apply, and we can find mini marketing test visit. I'm going to select one and submit it with true proof. Then you can learn how you can do it. By the way, there are about 700 daily those kind of job. It can be in future more, so we can accept and read what's in the list. What is expected from workers? Just simple. You can first clear all browser history and open incognito mode, by the way. So I'm going to submit article for URL of article, and here we go. So I'm going to video incognito mode and paste this link, and finally we can start doing job. Copy this URL required in the list. Yes, stay at least 2 minutes. I'll show you how we can try to stay more than 2 minutes. Just now we have to do quickly because we have much time to do many of those tasks. So one step is here. Second, we have to copy 5 article or post in this blog. Anyway, just simple copy paste and submit theme post URL in step 3. The same, we can go to home page of this blog and choose the theme article. Then open link in YouTube, copy paste, super easy. And now just one more important step is to visit advertisement. Big ad on article, step 2 and browse outside for minute 2 minutes. This is no problem now, and this is a big article. They need to give him or her the second page, so I'm going to link another page and copy paste the link. And here we go. We need just submit proof that submitted successfully back to our page, and here we can now visit many pages article. So the computer, we can leave it for more than 2 minutes. And another marketing job. Another example with high paid 5 cents. You need us to upload screenshot of browser history. So let's go, accept and read what's expected from us to do. Just copy this link and visit the blog. But we must display each URL page and visit all URL advertisement. It's not complicated. I will show you how you can do with real proof. I'm going to create a new Google Chrome, so free of cookies, something like that. This is just an example. You can just delete any browser cookies. Okay, we have Twitter. We can visit this link through Twitter and check back to jobs. Let's see the example pointed. Yes, this is the name of this blog. The correct select. So we are going to visit each URL. It will take 3 minutes, but I'm going to show you very quickly, just an example, how you can do those kind of job. So here I have visited now 4 page URL. I'm looking now for advertisement, back to see write the URL of the 4th website to visit, 3rd step and 4th step. Okay. What we can do, advertisements haven't yet shown up, but here's an example. We can go to history and do a screenshot. Label tool and new and select the full screenshot properly. Save and submit it on job list. This is not just an example. By the way, the job is not completed yet because I'm not want to make this video very long and waste your time as you watch. But very simple, follow this strategy. And here you can copy some of URL. Example, copy, paste, and then you can submit proof just like that. It's very super easy. You can do like that and you will earn up to $10 daily. So right now I will show you the proof that most of my tasks come from marketing search engaging jobs. And here's my list of jobs where you can see the result. 100% of marketing jobs are submitted successfully and I get picked in a short of time. So please, if you follow up these tips and strategy, you can finish more than 200 marketing tasks. Then you will be able to withdraw every single day. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next video.